Hello again, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Ma'am Kat, your super ma'am. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa channel ko, please subscribe now and do not forget to hit the notification bell para lagi kang updated sa bagong video ko. So just to continue week 4, this is all about commission and simple interest. Now, let's start our lesson. When someone sells your product, you need to give him some amount of money for his effort or a certain percentage for the sale. The percent or amount that he or she will receive is called commission. The commission and sale proceeds both represent percentage. Total sales represent the base and the commission rate represent the rate. Let us study the following terms below. So we have here commission, as we have said, is the amount of money a person receives for selling something. Example, may ibinebenta ako na kotse or ibebenta ko yung kotse ko. But there is a middleman. Merong tao na merong tao na maghahanap ng bibili ng kotse mo. So that man will receive, kapag naibenta niya yung kotse mo, will receive a commission. The amount of money na ibibigay mo dun sa tao na middleman is what we call commission. So the total sales is the total amount of sales made by the sale person. Ito yung nagre-represent din sa base natin. And the commission rate is the percent taken off from the selling price. So ito naman yung rate natin, yung laging may percent symbol. And sale proceeds or sale proceeds is the amount that remains after the deduction of commission. So example, yung kotse ko ibebenta ko ng 500,000. Nasobra. Okay, 500,000. So ito yung pinaka total sale. And then I'll give him a commission rate of 10%. Ibig sabihin, kung meron kang 500,000, para laki naman meron siyang commission na 50,000. So ito yung marireceive niya, 50,000. So, ito yung total sales. Ibebenta niya ng 500,000. Pag nabenta niya ng 500,000, meron siyang 10% na commission and that is equivalent to 50,000. And the sale proceeds is yung 500,000, ibabawas mo itong commission, that is 450,000. That is the sale proceeds. So, ito po yun. Yung matitira, the amount that remains, yung matitirang amount kapag ibinawas mo na yung commission. That is the sale proceeds. Now, let's continue this para mas maintindihan nyo. Gawa natin ang problem. Alright, here is the example problem. Mr. Lasso, a car agent, receives an 8% commission on the car that he sells. What is his commission if he sold a car at 1,550,000 pesos? How much will be the sale proceeds? So here, the solution is, the given first, we have here the total sales. Siyempre, magkano ba niya ibinenta, magkano niya ibebenta ang kotse? 1,550,000 pesos or 550,000 pesos. That is the total sale. And then another given here is the commission rate, which is 8%. So pag nabenta niya to, meron siyang makukuha na 8% commission. And then to compute for commission, we have the formula, total sales times commission rate. So substitute lang natin. So we have the total sales 1,550,000 pesos times 8%. So we need to change first 8% to decimal. And that will become 1,550,000 pesos times 0.08. And let's multiply it. So we have 1,550,000 pesos times 0.08. Ayan lang. We have ilan zero? 1, 2, 3, 4. Lagay tayo ng apat na 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 times 8 is 40. Carry 4. 5 times 8 is 40 plus 4 is 44. 8 times 1 is 8 plus 2 plus 4 is 12. Now, let's count the decimal places. 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah, the answer is, all right, therefore the answer is 124,000 pesos. So this is the 8% commission. So Mr. Las's commission is 120,000 pesos. So ito yung marireceive niya kapag naibenta niya yung kotse with this amount. So malaki, di ba? Malaki yung nagiging commission ng mga agent. So ano na ngayon ang magiging sale proceeds? So ang sale proceeds natin is only, we compute that by using total sales minus commission. So ano ba yung total sale natin? Yung total sale or yung kabuuan na benta ay 1,550,000 pesos minus 124,000 na commission. Ibabawas yung commission niya. Ang matitira is 1,426,000 pesos. This is the sale proceed. So that is the answer for that problem. Now, let's have another problem. Mr. Lasso was given a commission of 120,000 pesos at 6% commission rate for selling a house and lot. Ito naman yung ibinenta niya. How much is the total sales of the house and lot that he sold? So ngayon, analyze natin yung given. Sabi, commission daw, ang natanggap niyang commission ay ito. So this is our commission. At ito naman yung rate ng ating commission or commission rate. Ang nawawala natin ay total sales. Parang ang nawawala dito ay base. So kapag total sales ang nawala, so we have here the commission given of 6%. And then we have the total sales is equal to commission divided by the commission rate. So division na to. So we have here 120,000 pesos divided by 6%. So first is to change 6% into decimal. So we have 120,000 pesos divided by 0.06. Now let's divide it. We have 120,000 divided by 0.06. So move natin muna 1, 2, magdagdag ka ng 2 0. So napakadali. 12 divided by 6 is 2 times 6, 12. Itong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 na 0, itataas mo na lang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So ano na ngayon ang sagot? So the answer is 2 million pesos. So the total sales, this is not C. This is the total sale. The total sale is 2 million pesos. Ibig sabihin, yung bahay na ibenta siya sa halaga na 2 million pesos. At dahil na ibenta niya ng 2 million yun, nagkaroon siya ng komisyon na 120,000 pesos. So therefore, the total sales of the house and lot is 2 million pesos. Now, so this is the answer for our problem. Now, let's go with the sales tax. So when we say sales tax, ano ba ito? Yeah, narinig nyo na ito, tax. No, laging balita sa TV. Alright? When you buy some products in the fast food, supermarket, and other store, you will notice your receipt that there is value-added tax or sales tax. So, ito yung nakikita nyo sa resibo na ipinapatong sa binabayaran nyo. Kaya nga added. Kaya added, idinadagdag yan dun sa binayaran nyo or dun sa cost ng binayaran nyo. Let's have a problem. In a restaurant, the family ordered a food that has a total amount of 856 pesos plus 12% sale tax. How much is the sale tax? And how much is the total amount paid to the cashier? So ngayon, ang tinatanong dito, yung sales tax. At saka yung magkano yung total na babayaran nila sa cashier. Ito yung kanilang actually, ito yung kanilang amount ng kanilang in-order. Pero meron pang dagdag na 12% dahil nga din sa VAT. So sales tax is equal to the total amount of the product times rate of sales tax. So we have ST is equal to TP times RST. Ang total na in-order nila is 856,000 pesos. At ang sales tax ay 12%, yun yung rate of sales tax. So first change 12% to decimal and 856 pesos times 0.12. And that is equivalent to 102 pesos and 72 centavos. So ito, yung tinatawag nating sales tax na idadagdag dun sa kanilang in-order or amount nung kanilang in-order. So computing the total amount to be paid, we have total amount is equal to TP plus ST. Ano ba yung TP? Total amount of the product plus ano yung ST, sales tax. And that is 856 pesos plus 102 pesos and 72 centavos. And the answer is 958 pesos and 72 centavos. So this is the total amount of money that they will pay to the cashier or they have to pay in the cashier. So itong 958 pesos at 72 centavos kasama na dito. Makikita nyo na sa resibo yung salitang VAT kasi meron siyang VAT na 12%. Kaya akala nyo bakit naging 900 yung 856 nyo kasi dun sa inyong resibo may nakalagay na VAT o yung tinatawag nating value-added tax. Kaya nga added tax, dinadagdag ito sa inyong pinurchase na product. Now, let's proceed to, that is sales tax. Now, what is simple interest? Do you wonder why your mother or father save money in the bank? When your mother or father deposit their money in the bank or in savings bank, the bank will pay them a small amount for using their money. This amount is called interest. Naglagay kayo ng pera sa bangko, safe, di ba? Safe. Kaya tayo naglalagay dahil safe. At the same time, kahit papaano, tumutubo yung pera natin, nadadagdaga kasi may interest. Bakit nagbibigay ng interest ang bangko? Kasi yung pera na inilalagay mo sa bangko, ginagamit din nila yun. Ginagamit din ng bangko. It's either pinauutang, that is what we call interest, or the amount of money earned for using another's money over period of time. Na actually, kahit hindi naman sa bangko, kahit sa tao ka, halimbawa sa tao, pinautang mo yung pera mo. Lalo ngayon, no, uso yung Bombay, di ba? Yung 5-6. Pag nagpautang ka ng 1,000, babalik sa'yo, halimbawa, 1,200. Meron ng interest dahil ginamit yung pera mo. So, babalik siya ng may interest. Now, The principal amount, pag sinabi natin principal amount, is the amount of money deposited, invested, or borrowed. So, ito naman, halimbawa ay, nilagay mo sa bangko ay 1,000. So, yun yung principal amount. And then, the rate of interest is the percent added to the principal amount or amount borrowed or invested. Ito naman yung laging may percent symbol, the rate of interest. And time is the length of time which money has been deposited or borrowed. It is always computed in terms of year. So, ito naman yung time. Halimbawa, nangutang ka sa isang tao. Okay, so babayaran mo to sa loob 2 taon. Actually, ang terms niya ay year. Pero kung ito ay in terms of month, i-convert mo pa rin into year. So, babayaran mo sa bangko kasi kalimitan meron tayong 1 year. Pag nag-loan ka sa bangko, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, hanggang 5 years ata meron. So, that is the time. Gaano katagal mo huhulugan yung inutang mong pera? Or gaano katagal yung pera mo na nakadeposit doon sa bangko? And amount due, or AD, is the total amount to be paid or received after the certain period of time that the principal has been borrowed or deposited. Or let's proceed to the next slide. Now, we have here solving for simple interest problem. Mr. Lasso opens a saving account in commercial bank where the money earns 1.5% interest per year. If he has 9,500 pesos in his savings account, how much will his money earn in 1 year? So, to solve this, identify muna natin yung mga given. So, ito yung nilagay niya sa bangko. Therefore, it is the principal amount. At ang interest per year ay 1.5 per year. Sabi niya, nilagay daw, magkano daw yung magiging interest ng money niya sa loob ng 1 taon. So, the formula here is simple interest is equal to principal amount, principal amount times rate times time. Ayan, baka nalilito kayo sa baguhin ko nga mali sulat ko. We have the principal amount times rate times time. So here, pwede nga ito actually sa Tecans triangle. So this is the simple interest, this is the principal amount, this is the rate, and this is time. So kapag ito ang nawawala, i-multiply mo lang yung tatlo. So we have the principal amount is 9,500 pesos times the interest of with the rate of interest of 1.5%. So ito ay rate of interest. Ito naman, yung big I is simple interest. And time times time of 1 year. So we have here, simple interest is equal to 9,500 times, paano gagawing decimal yung 1.5 in 1.5%? So lagay natin yung decimal point 2 places from right to left. So that is 0.015 times 1. Let's multiply 0.015. 0, 0, 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 9 is 45 plus 2, 47. We have here 0, 0, 5, 9. So we have 0, 0, 5, 12, 14. So we have 1, 2, 3. So the answer, the simple interest of 9,500 in a year is 142 pesos and 50 centavos. So ito yung marireceive ni Mang Lasso kapag naglagay siya sa bangko na 9,500 na may 1.5 interest per year. So ito ang madadagdag sa pera niya sa loob ng 1 taon. So nakalagay dito yung table na incomplete. So, sasagutan nyo dito sa number 7 is the commission. Given tayo ng total sales at rate of commission. Ang gagawin nyo lang naman dito sa commission is equal to total sales times rate of commission or commission rate. And then, kapag naman ang nawawala ay total sales, di ba? Anong gagawin natin? Divide. Pag nawala ay total sales, we have commission divided by commission rate or rate of commission. Minsan na nagkakabaliktad, okay lang yun. And then, in number 9, ang nawawala ay simple interest. So, pag sinabing simple interest, we just multiply the principal times the rate of interest and times the time. Pero kung nakikita nyo dito, ang time natin ay fraction, i-convert nyo lang yung 1/2 into decimal and that will become to 3.5. At dito naman, ang nawawala ay rate. If we have rate, ang nawawala, that is interest, simple interest is, rate is equal to simple interest divided by principal amount times time. So, ito yung kailangan mo. So, let's see. The next slide. All right, we have here the continuation of the word problem. How much money did Mr. Deo Lagario deposit to his bank account if at the end of the year, it earned an interest of 413 pesos at 3.5% interest rate? No. So, ang tinatanong dito, magkano daw ba yung i-deposit niya? Parang yung example natin kanina. Ito yung tinatawag nating simple interest. Tapos, ito naman yung rate of interest. Tinatanong, sa loob daw ng isang taon, ito yung nakuha niya eh. Magkano yung kanyang i-deposit? Or magkano yung inilagay niya dun sa bangko? Magkano yung principal amount na inilagay niya sa bangko? So, principal amount ang nawawala dito sa number 6. And number 7, Mrs. Melanie Lasso pays 15 pesos and 75 centavos for each hair clip to each supplier. She decided to add markup, of 3 pesos and 15 centavos. Markup, ano pala to, no? So, hindi siya sa commission. What is the markup rate? So, rate ang nawawala dito. So, ito yung original price. Tapos, ito yung markup, yung idadagdag niya. Ang tinatanong, ilang porsyento or ano yung ilang porsyento yung 3.5, 3.15 dun sa original na presyo. Ang nawawala dito ay rate, markup rate. In number 8, Mrs. Irene Lazo, owner of clothing store, pays 200 pesos for PE set uniforms to its supplier. The store's percent of markup is 75%. Find its selling price. So, selling price naman ang nawawala. First, bago mo mahanap yung selling price, computein mo muna si markup. Diba? Computein mo muna si markup. And that is original price times rate of markup or markup rate. So, i-multiply mo muna itong dalawa. And then, yung sagot, para makuha mo yung selling price, diba? Selling price is original price plus markup. And number 9, Mr. Sonny Lazo is a real estate agent. He sold a lot for, ito yung presyo ng pagbenta niya. If his agency pays him 15% commission, how much will he receive? Dito ito yung original or yung original price na ibebenta niya. Pag nabenta niya, meron siyang makukuhang 15%. So, commission ang nawawala dito. And number 10, Mrs. Conchita borrowed 20,000 pesos at 3.5% interest a year. What is the total amount he paid at the end of the year? So, ang tinatanong dito ay simple interest. So, I think that's it for this lesson. So, medyo dugo ang ating week 4. But still, kapag inintindi natin, masasagutan din natin lahat. Alright. Now, let's proceed to my shout out. Shout out ako kay the Arnie channel. Pa-shout out po, ma'am. Please. Okay. Shout out sa iyo. Thank you for watching Teacher Herna. Thank you for watching, Ma'am Kat. Alright. And then we have kay Noreen Tracy Reyes. Thank you po, ma'am. Pa-shout out po ulit. Keep safe. Keep safe din sa inyo habang nanonood ng video ko. And we have here, ma'am, pa-shout out po. Sophia po ang name ko. Sophia, hello sa iyo. Hello there. Keep watching my videos. And we have Shane Ashley. Pa-shout out din po pala. Thank you, Shane Ashley. Sana panoorin mo ulit ang aking mga videos na i-upload pa. And we have Kyrex ML Official. Hello sa iyo. At kay Aliana Laguardia. Shout out din sa iyo. So, thank you po sa inyong panonood sa aming channel and hope na nakakatulong ako. So, if this video helps you a little or kahit pa paano nakatulong sa inyo, please hit the thumbs up button or hit the like button and share this to your friends, classmates, and to everyone. Thank you for watching my video. Good night.